The best replacement filters for LG, LT600P and LT800P. The LG refrigerators with ice and water dispenser are getting more and more popular these days, especially the ones compatible with LG, LT600P and LT800P water filters. Since filters are recommended to be changed every 6 months and buying OEM filters can be quite expensive, in this video, we will introduce 2 best compatible generic refrigerator water filters for the LG, LT600P and LT800P. Number 1, we recommend Claterans CLRF80. It is compatible with LG LT800P ADQ73613401 and Kenmore 469490. The filter is certified by NSF 42, IAPMO, and ISO 9001 standard, guaranteeing better tasting filtered water. Besides the 1-year warranty from its manufacturer, you can also save a lot from the much more affordable price than OEM brands. Number 2, we recommend Claterans CLRF60. The filter is suited for LG 5231JA2006 LT600P and Kenmore 46-9990. Certified by NSF 42, IAPMO, and ISO 9001 standard, this filter is priced much cheaper than OEM and also enjoys a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Both filters can effectively remove 99% of chlorine, lead, mercury, cadmium, thallium, and 70 more contaminants which are harmful to your health, and at the same time, keeping beneficial minerals in the water. Buy them from Claterans.com right now.